This fly needs a better name. Flies today get names like Barely Legal or the Dungeon or the Blowtorch. This one could have been called, I don't know, Missionary Midge, but it's called a fore and aft, a boring name for a fly that imitates mating midges. They're still on top of the water when they mate, so it's a great time for the trout to grab them while they're sitting still. This is a size 18 standard dry fly hook. It does have a straight eye. I believe this is a TMC 101 hook, if I remember correctly. And so we're going to lay a thread base. I'm going to use a thread body on this, although you can double body, dun, black, gray, olive. And I have some size 18 barred dun hackle feathers. Off barred dun cape. Be sure on this fly, get rid of all the webby stuff at the base, because you want this hackle to stand straight up, if at all possible. And I'm going to cut a little bit longer segment on one side of this than I am on the other. And then with that side down, I'm going to tie in the tip of that and leave a little bit of stem. And I'm going to come up just a little bit. And I want to make about 3 full cycles of hackle, or turns of hackle, around the hook shank, and then tie it off. I'm just trying to trim the points out there because I'm getting ready to cover all that up with thread. So then we're going to go to the front, and we're going to do basically the same thing. So you can see why this is called a fore and aft. The front hackle tied in, then we want to take about 3 full turns, with each turn going right in front of the other one. That's toward the eye. And then we want to go tie this off. Get rid of the excess. If you trap any fibers, grab your bodkin and free them up. I'm going to take one more set of 4-turn whip finish, and that is a fore and aft.